Namaste future actuaries. Welcome to my YouTube channel Actuarial BFF. Here we break down everything you need to know to thrive in your actuarial journey. Whether you are just starting out or looking for some solid advice, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into 5 essential skills that will not only set you apart in your career but also keep you ahead in your professional journey. So let's just dive in. So, first up is the technical expertise. We all know that being an actuary means mastering complex maths and stat, but it does go deeper than that. Our actuarial exams are not just hurdles to clear, but they actually act as foundation that sharpens our technical abilities and gives us insight into the actuarial profession. So, whether you are a aspiring actuary or you are a future actuary and you are currently working into the corporate or for a big MNC or for Indian market, so these actuarial exams shows your intent and commitment towards the profession. And when you with every exam you clear, people become more and more confident in your skills, as these exams hone your skills in a way that sets you up to tackle the most challenging problems that will come your way. So your technical exams build from these exams, and your ongoing learning is your foundation. It's what keeps you standing, and it's what the business will always rely on, no matter how much the world changes. With the strong technical foundation, you will be equipped to, number one, analyze complex data set with confidence, develop robust models that derive business decisions, identify and mitigate risk with precision, and innovate and adapt in a rapidly changing world. Next, let's talk about flexibility and adaptability. Gone are those days when an actuary could stick to one type of work for their entire career. Today, you might be working on pricing model, and tomorrow you could be diving into climate change risk assessment and so on. So, I'll give you my example. I started my career with pensions doing valuation, but as I grew, I adapted to new roles. I did pricing for group business, and now I'm working into reserving or statutory valuation, and there were a little more changes down the line. So that's the thing about being an actuary. You have to be willing to evolve. You have to work on different projects with different teams and in different areas. I also worked into different geographies. Embrace these changes and you will become a wholesome actuary who is ready for anything that comes your way. So guys, being adaptable means that you're not just surviving in this fast paced environment, you are actually thriving. You are the one who's always ready for the next big thing, and that's what makes you invaluable. So now let's get creative. Yes, you heard me right. Creativity is just as crucial for actuaries as logic and reason. And there are other terms to define it, but the easiest way to make you understand is it's important for actuaries to be creative. Now think about it. How often do you need to develop new pricing models, create strategies for emerging world, or innovate new product? That's creativity in action. So any situations in your work will be thrown at you, and you have to come up with the solution of the real life problems and situations. In modeling also, what you do, you actually model basis a real life situation. So here creativity comes into action. How you provide a innovative solution for a already existing problem. So how do you go through that process? That is actually creativity in action. So creativity isn't just for artists, it's for actuaries too. And your ability to think outside the box and challenge the status quo is what will keep you ahead in this career field. Personally, CP1, when I appeared for that CP1 exam, I know it's a very big and difficult exam, but it helps me think and it helps me broaden my horizons. So it really did help me in my creative journey. Yes, an exam helped me in my actual creative journey. Next on the list is having good communication skills. It's one thing to solve a problem, it's another to communicate that solution clearly and effectively. Whether it's writing a report or giving a presentation, your ability to make complex ideas simple and accessible is what will set you apart. Remember, it doesn't matter how brilliant your solution is if no one is going to understand it. Your job is to bridge that gap and ensure your insights are just not heard but actually being understood and then are being acted upon. So, and I can give you a very relevant example. In CP3, the whole idea of CP3 is to develop your actuarial skills so that you can explain the complex actuarial jargons to a layman. So it's another example of where an exam could help, and believe me, you will see a lot of examples in your career where you found a brilliant solution but it does not help because you are not able to communicate properly. Also here I want to add that it's not always about giving a lot of information, it's about giving relevant but enough information. Last but not the least, fifth skill on my list is AI or machine learning. Okay, let's not use the buzzwords. It's coding. So in today's world of big data, knowing how to code is no longer optional. It's essential. Whether it's VBA, Python or R or any other language, or database management systems like Access, SQL. So these skills will allow you to automate tasks, analyze massive data sets and develop machine learning models. I'll give you an example. So I was working on UK geography and the data was massive. Excel has a limitation where it can hold data up to only 10 lakh rows. So and my data set was huge, much beyond than 10 lakh entries, and hence I had to use R to actually manipulate the data and then analyze that data set. The other purposes are that I have used R codes to automate a lot of my work so that a task which is getting performed in 4 to 8 hours is now getting performed under 15 to 20 minutes by just running R code or Python script. So coding is like the magic wand in the world of data. It's what transforms you from a number cruncher to a data wizard. So there you have it, guys. 5 skills that every aspiring actuary should master: technical expertise, flexibility, creativity, communication and coding. Embrace this and you will be more than ready to take on the future of our profession. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips and advice from your actuarial best friend. Remember, the future is bright, and with these skills in your toolkit, you're going to shine. So I'll meet you next time. Till then, stay curious and keep crunching number. Bye-bye.